How to speed up YouTube Shorts upload processing. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're uploading YouTube Shorts from your phone and your video is stuck or on processing, try these specific fixes. First thing you need to do is make sure to update the YouTube application. For that, go over to Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom center of your screen, and tap on the search icon. Simply search for YouTube. Make sure that YouTube is up to date. If you see an update button here instead of open, just tap on it to update the app to its latest version. Then the second step is to keep the short under 60 seconds. Make sure that it's 59 seconds or less. Even a few extra frames can delay your processing. The next step is to use proper resolution and format. So your format is obviously a vertical 9 by 16 and your resolution is 1080 by 1920 and it's going to be an MP4 format. Then you need to turn off any VPNs or private DNS, which will slow down your processing. For that, go to Settings, tap on Connections, go to More Connection Settings, and you basically go to Private DNS. Make sure you tap on Off, and then you can go to VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any other VPNs. Then you can try to clear YouTube's cache and close other background apps. So let me just quickly close everything. Long press on YouTube. Go to the I button at the top. Then go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. And you should be good to go. Now, after doing so, restart your phone and try to see if that fixes your processing. Long press on the power button and simply tap on the restart button. You should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.